Good afternoon, SCA parents. Today in 4th grade, we're learning about 4 MBT 1, the math standard that says, I can recognize that the digit in one place represents 10 times what it represents to the right. And so students today are doing problems that look like this one. And so we're going to read the problem because step 1 is read the problem. Okay, boys and girls, we're going to read the problem. 1, 2, ready, read. The 5 in the 10,000th place is blank. The value of the 5 in the hundredths place. And the number that we're looking at today, boys and girls, say the number. 5,000. Pardon me, hold on. Boys and girls, please say the number. 58,524. Okay, boys and girls. So today we're looking at the 5 in the 10,000ths place and the 5 in the hundredths place. The number that we're comparing is the 5 in the 10,000ths place, and the number we're comparing to is the 5 in the hundredths place. Step 2 is circle the two values you are comparing. Everybody on your paper, circle the two values you're comparing. Raise your hand when your circles are done. I have 2 people with hands up. 3, 4. Okay. Okie dokie. Margarita, what 2 values did you circle? Good job, Margarita. If you agree with her, show that you agree. Okay, good. So we're going to circle hundredths, and we are going to circle 10,000. Good. Okay, so take a look at it now. Now, I said that you can read this again and you can take everything out except for your values. So let's try it. 1, 2, ready. The 10,000s are blank the hundreds. Okay, so listening. The 10,000s are blank the hundreds. Look up here at our place value model. Here's the 10,000s. Here's the hundreds. Step 3 says, decide if 10,000s are bigger or smaller than hundreds. Go ahead and write an answer on your paper, bigger or smaller. You're going to put it on the line. Write bigger or smaller, and then raise your hand when you've got it. Okay. Okay. Whisper to your neighbor what you wrote. Okay. Everybody tell me what you wrote. Shh. Okay, good job. Let's decide if that's right. Does this sound right? The 10,000s are bigger than hundreds? Yes. That does. That's exactly right. And our model shows that that's correct. 10,000. I'd much rather have $10,000 than $100. Yeah. Right? Okay. So we've got that it's bigger. Now let's take a look. We want to find our starting number. So we're on step 4. How do you show that you're on the starting number? With a what? A dot. A dot. So this says, find the value you're comparing it to and put a dot. What are we comparing the 5 and the 10,000s to? Harmony, what are we comparing it to?
We're comparing it to the 100.
Okay, we're comparing it to the 5 and the hundreds. Can you all in your number put the dot under your 5 in the hundreds? Go ahead and do that. When you've got it, put your thumb up. Okay. Who wants to come up and put, here, Trey, go on up and put the dot under the number where it's supposed to go. Okay? If you agree, show him. Everybody agrees. I agree too. That looks good. We've got a dot in the hundreds. Now, step 5 is jump one time for each digit. And each jump represents 10 times. Jump one time for each digit. Each jump represents 10 times. Can you all do the jumping now? Are we jumping to the left or are we jumping to the right?
The left.
We're jumping to the
Left.
right, because if we jump to the right, we're not going to hit the other 5, right?
Yeah.
Also, we're jumping to the left because we are getting
Bigger.
Okay, so we're going to jump to the left. How many times did you jump?
2.
1,
1, 2.
2. Do you all agree that that's what your jumps look like?
Yeah.
And each jump represents times 10. All right, well, if we've got times 10 here and times 10 here, really, what do we have? Times what?
100.
Yes, we have times. So 2 jumps means 2 zeros. So it's 100 times bigger. Now let's finish reading it and let's see if it sounds right. The 5 in the 10,000th place is 100 times bigger than the 5 in the hundredths place. Thumbs up. You get it? Okay, guys. That's what we've been doing for about a week and a half. And I know it's tough, but how many of you think you're going to be better at it tonight when you do your homework? All right, that's what we hope for. Okay, thanks again.